Assembling instructions. First, I'm going to show you how to connect the wires together before assembling. Here are all the accessories we have inside the package. Here is the original version you will receive from us. We have to fasten the tubes into each acrylic part first, like this. Then let's see the wires distribution. All wires come out of the acrylic parts in the same distribution, 2 white ends and 2 red ends. Here is the driver for this lamp. 6 ends out of driver, each 2 of them are 1 set. We have to separate them into 3 sets to match the LED strip. Now let's separate the 6 acrylic parts into 3 sets as well. Each 2 of them will be 1 set. Next, let's start the wire connecting. As you can see, there are 2 white ends and 2 red ends come out of every acrylic part. First, we have to connect the 2 white ends together. Please make sure you are connecting the wires in the correct way. Then leave the rest 2 red ends be there. Then connect the wires in the same way for the second acrylic part. Connect the white ends together at first. Now we have done the first step to the first set already. The next step is to connect these 2 acrylic parts together and let them be a group. There are 2 red ends left from each acrylic part. We need to pick one of them from each acrylic part, then to connect them together. But please make sure the 2 red ends you picked are available for connection, and connect them in the correct way. Now we have finished the wire connection of the first set already. The rest 2 red ends will be connected to the driver directly at the end. Let's do the same steps to the second group. Connect the 2 white ends together at each acrylic part. Then pick 1 red end from each acrylic part and connect them together. And the same to the third group. Connect the white ends together first. Then pick 1 of red ends from each acrylic part. Then connect them together. Now we have finished the wire connection to all 3 groups already. The last step will be the driver connecting. Separate the 6 red ends into 3 sets first. Then to connect all the available ends from acrylic parts to the driver. Here are the 3 sets from the driver end. Let's connect the first set to the first group. Here are the two left red ends from the first group. We just need to find the match ends from one set at driver's end, then connect them together. Then the next as well. Then do the same to the second group. Connect all the available red ends between driver and acrylic parts together. And the same to the third group. Connect the rest two red ends from acrylic parts to the driver. Well, now we have finished all connections to the wires. Let's test the light and see how it looks like. All lights are working well and correctly. Next, I'm going to show you how to assemble the product and connect all wires together.